In this video, we're going to talk about how to actually conduct a quiz in your class. So we're going to say that you've already created a quiz through this blue button, Manage Quizzes, and now you want to actually have a quiz implemented into your classroom. The first thing that you'll want to do is have your students find the Socrative app for students on their device. And again, they can use a phone, an iPod, a tablet, a computer, anything that's got internet access will work. Once they have the app, it will ask them what room they are in, and that is when you will want to give them this room code. Okay, so mine, as you see, is CFF30382. So they will enter your classroom this way. Then it will say on their screen that it's waiting for the teacher. So at that point is when you're going to need to actually start the quiz on your end of things, on your computer or tablet. So you'll want to go to Start a Quiz, and you'll select the quiz. So I will select one of mine for my Spanish 3 classes. Now, it asks you what type of quiz are you starting. You can have either a student paced, which gives immediate feedback to them as they get their question right or wrong. A student-paced student navigation, which means they can skip questions if they want to come back to them, and they can again revisit a question before they submit it. And then teacher-paced is that you will control the amount of time each student spends on each question. And if you can't remember these directions, as this page comes up, it gives you these handy directions here in case you want to reread them to choose what you want. Some additional settings is you can, if you want to have the results show up on your screen on your board, you can disable the student names so that they can't see each other's and how each other are doing. You can randomize the answer order, so as if you have a multiple choice quiz, everyone could be taking a different version. And then you can disable student feedback, meaning they can't respond to any of the correct or incorrect answers that they gave. So you can click on or off depending on how you want your quiz. I'll choose teacher paced, and then you will start the quiz. Now notice up here in the right hand column it says quiz in progress. That means that it won't let you go to the next section to start another quiz until you've clicked finish. So let's say this is a vocabulary quiz for my Spanish 3. So here's question number 1, and I will leave it on question number 1 until I see that all students have answered. Down here you'll see 0 out of 0 because I don't have any students currently in the classroom. But this way you'll be able to see how many people have completed it. You can either show names or show answers depending on what you want to look at. So if you want to go through it together, one question at a time, you can. Or you can have them figure out their overall results at the end. So once you think everyone is done, you'll click next, and then it goes to number 2. Again, next, next, until the end. Okay, and it's really as simple as that, particularly with the teacher pace. With student pace, it's even easier. They control the speed at which they take these quizzes. Then you will click finish when you're all done, and it will ask you what you would like as your report. And if you would like to know about this page and what to choose in the different options, you can visit the results page on this professional learning website. Thanks for listening, and if you have any questions, you can always email me. Have a great day.